there's always a question that comes up, and I didn't have this in my notes, but I just thought about it. I was thinking about this question that I get a lot, and this idea of how do we know we have the Spirit? You know, people will say that, and I've heard different groups of people say, well, you know you have the Spirit when this happens or when that happens. There's even a group that will claim that you will receive some miraculous gift of sorts, and I don't agree with that. I don't think the Bible teaches that as evidence of the Spirit's presence. Folks, we know we have the Spirit because we trust God, and God has promised His Spirit to those who have believed, repented, and were baptized. That's what God promised. And so we know we have the Spirit just the same way that we know our sins are forgiven, and it's by faith. God has promised, and we can be assured of that through faith. We don't have to have a tingly feeling. We don't have to have, a halo over our heads in the mirror when we wake up in the morning. We don't have to have a miraculous experience, but by faith we can know that God has kept His promise in giving us His Spirit.